Ways to use honey, and why it's good for you. Honey is nature's finest work. It is one of the healthiest foods ever that provides a long list of health benefits. Here are some of the best uses of honey. Medicinal properties of honey. Hygroscopic property. Even though it has low water content in its natural state, when exposed to air, honey absorbs moisture. It is very beneficial for dry skin, by allowing it to better retain moisture. It accelerates the healing process as well. Antibacterial property. Honey contains glucose oxidase, an enzyme that produces hydrogen peroxide. Due to its high content of glucose oxidase, honey has such potent antibacterial and wound healing properties. It can heal wounds and kill bacteria. Antioxidant property. Honey is an excellent source of antioxidants that work against free radicals and encourage new tissue growth. This will make your skin look younger and more radiant and help expedite healing of damaged tissue. 10 ways to use honey. 1. Wound cleaner. According to a study, honey can kill off bacteria and accelerate the healing process. You should apply honey onto a minor burn or cut, making sure to cover the wound like an antibiotic ointment. 2. Diaper rash cream. It has been shown that Manuka honey can improve symptoms in the case of redness, itching, and inflammation. Just add equal parts of honey to your regular diaper cream and use every day. 3. Hair conditioner. Mix 1/2 cup honey with 1/4 cup olive oil and warm slightly on the stove. Apply to your hair and wrap your hair in a towel. When it is soaked in, just rinse your hair with cool water. 4. Natural hair remover. In a microwave-safe bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Warm slightly in the microwave and let it cool. Then, you should use a popsicle stick to apply to facial hair. Place a small piece of muslin cloth over the area and rub slightly. Apply some tea tree oil to the area where you removed the hair. 5. Burn treatment. According to a study, patients with honey dressings healed in an average of 18.16 days, while those with the medicated bandages healed in 32.68 days. Honey dressings can improve healing time and make wounds sterile in a shorter time period. Note, this treatment is only for minor burns, not serious ones. 6. Makeup remover. Mix baking soda and honey to prepare a paste. Add a few drops of tea tree oil and apply this mixture in a circular motion by using a warm washcloth. Rinse with warm water. 7. Bad breath. Mix 1/4 cup water, 1 tablespoon raw honey, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Gargle for 3 minutes then spit out. This will eliminate the bad breath and give you a fresh breath. 8. Face mask. Honey is very beneficial for acne, eczema, and rosacea, while coconut oil can relieve dry and irritated skin and reduce wrinkles. Mix 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of raw honey to prepare a paste. Apply it to your face and neck and let it stand for 20 minutes. Then, rinse it off with lukewarm water. 9. Strengthen nails. To treat weak and brittle nails, mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1/4 cup of ACV in a shallow dish. Soak your nails for 10 minutes then rinse. Repeat this procedure every week. 10. Relieve acid reflux. According to a study, many people found relief from reflux when they ingested 5 milliliters of honey. It has the ability to coat the lining of the esophagus and provide relief to the burning caused by acid reflux.